Let's try cooking chicken curry recipe. For the best taste, use Goodnam fresh gata. Now, let's prepare all the ingredients for our chicken curry. Step 1. Prepare ingredients, so everything is ready. Step 2. Sauté aromatics. This builds the base flavor of your curry. Step 3. Cook the chicken, light browning adds more flavor. Step 4. Add vegetables, check by poking with a fork. Step 5. Add curry powder. This helps release the curry flavor. This is the important step. Step 6. Add liquid and simmer. This makes the chicken tender and flavorful. Step 7. Add coconut milk. Best if you're using Goodnam fresh gata for a richer taste. Do not boil too hard, the coconut milk may curdle. I usually use Goodnam fresh gata because it makes dishes creamier, richer, and more flavorful. It's also convenient and consistent, so your cooking tastes good every time. Step 8. Seasonings. Taste and adjust the seasoning, then add the final touch of flavor. Step 9. Final check. Sauce should be slightly thick and creamy. Chicken and vegetables should be tender. Serve hot and enjoy your delicious chicken curry. Wow, so yummy, 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 yummy.
Thank you for watching.